So, well, viewers, amid a lot of questions on what next, will he complete his tenure or not, is all well or not, Siddaramaiah is just a step away from becoming the longest-serving Chief Minister of Karnataka. Today, he has equaled the record held by one of the longest-serving Chief Ministers of Karnataka, Devaraj Aras. And Siddaramaiah is set to surpass the record of Devaraj Aras tomorrow. Today, he equals it, making him the longest-serving Chief Minister of Karnataka. This was, remember, one of the things that Sosa suggested that Siddaramaiah wanted. He wanted the record for being the longest-serving Chief Minister of Karnataka. In fact, that had been cited time and again during the power tussle talks as well. Now, here's what's interesting. D.K. Shivkumar has actually wished him well, going on to say all the best. And this statement comes amid the power tussle within Karnataka, because at the heart of it is this purported understanding that was made in 2023 between the two leaders, with reports suggesting that D.K. Shivkumar had been promised the 2.5 years. Listen into these reactions.
ದೇವರಾಜರವರ ಜನರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಮುರಿತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಸಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಅವಧಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದು ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಅವಧಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವ್ರು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ನವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪೂರ್ಣಾವಧಿಯ ಸಿಎಂ ಆಗುವ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲದವರು ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ?
ಪೂರ್ಣಾವಧಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ
ಪೂರ್ಣಾವಧಿ ಸಿಎಂ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ನಮಗೆ ಪೂರ್ಣಾವಧಿ ಸಿಎಂ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ.
ಆಲ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್.
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್.
ಸರ್, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊಂದಲ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ನೀವು ಗೊಂದಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇದೆ. ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್.
Interesting reaction from the Deputy Chief Minister, who is also vying to be the Chief Minister. I wish him all the good luck. I wish him all the best. That's what he goes on to say. But let's take a look at the two Chief Ministers. It's a tale of the two Chief Ministers. Devaraj Aras, one of the stalwarts of Karnataka. Anybody who has been in Karnataka even for a few days hears about him. He's somebody who has been there for 2,792 days. This was, of course, over a span of several decades. He created the original Ahinda base, so politically very, very significant. Remember, that was the base, Ahinda base, which is the backward classes, is what was honed by Siddaramaiah as well. He is currently at 2,793 plus days. So he has surpassed that record, which is very important. There are some land reforms that Devaraj Aras is always remembered for, which is the land reforms in Karnataka. It's very, very important. Many speak about it to this day. But Siddaramaiah also has his own set of welfare programs that he has brought in as well. Let's take this across to my colleagues Imran and Neha, joining us with the details of what this really means in Karnataka and why it was so important for Siddaramaiah and Neha. You know, even when the power tussle was at the peak, this is what was spoken about. Siddaramaiah wanting to surpass the tenure of Devaraj Aras. What is the real story? Why has Siddaramaiah been so keen on surpassing this record?
Well, Pratibha, naturally, of course, for any chief minister who's serving as the head of the state, to be called the longest serving chief minister of a state is obviously a matter of prestige. But here in the state of Karnataka, of course, there's much more to this. We've seen the power tussle in the state. We've seen the talks of change of guard that have, in fact, been circulating now in the political circles for quite a few months. And most importantly, of course, even as, the government now has completed its 2.5 years tenure, questions were being prominently raised about the power crisis in the state, about whether the chief minister would have to hand over his guard to his deputy. And at a time like this, of course, one thing that kept coming up was it would probably only happen after the chief minister, gains this tag of being the longest serving chief minister. And now, even as, of course, tomorrow, the chief minister would, of course, complete his term as the longest serving chief minister, whether this would translate into a change of guard, whether those questions would come up, all of that, of course,
and that's why it becomes very interesting when DK Shivakumar goes on to say, all the best, Imran. Does this actually mean that all is well within the Karnataka government? What's the latest?
It is far from anything well in the Karnataka government. What we're seeing is just a gap for this. Again, the demand for DK Shivakumar to be the chief minister again will rise again. In fact, what we're seeing that the second week of January, again the supporters of DK Shivakumar are likely to travel to Delhi to press on High Command to DK Shivakumar to be given the chief minister's post. In fact, yesterday when DK Shivakumar was asked this question, he said that he's come from a village and he has so far survived so much in politics and he has come to this stage, and let's see what future holds for him and for someone like him who has come from a rural background, is what he said. To a journalist asked a question about whether he will continue as deputy CM or will be as chief minister, DK Shivakumar said that, don't put questions in my mouth, you are all clever to understand what will happen next. So very cryptic message they're saying that there's just a temporary pause in the whole game, but he will continue to again revive the question of him to be made as the next chief minister.
That's very interesting. You say it's just a pause. There's more definitely coming. That's the word, coming in. Thank you for joining us with those details. So with that, viewers, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Our colleagues stay with us. We slip into a very quick break. We'll be right back with the top updates.